Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So by the time I'm posting this, it should be in the middle of December and we're starting to get into the Christmassy mood. And yeah, I thought I'd celebrate that by folding a Christmassy kind of model. So this is a snowflake coaster that I designed, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of it, and it may be easier than you think. So let's get folding. Okay, so let's start off with some blue paper. This model is an easy model, as I said at the start, so yeah, it's very beginner friendly. Alright, so let's first start off by turning over and folding in half vertical wise. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's take this edge and fold it to the crease we just made. Alright, now rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's rotate this way, and let's fold in half in this direction. Alright, now unfold, and take this edge and fold it to the crease we just made. Rotate and repeat. And now we should have this. Now let's turn it this way, and let's take this point and fold it to the top point. And now let's unfold. Alright, now let's rotate and do the same thing. Alright, now let's take this little corner and let's just pull out the first layer, like that. And then do the same on the other three. So there's another one, there's the third one, and there's the last one. If we fold this one up and this one down, that is our pinwheel base. Alright, now let's start folding some of the detail. So let's open one of these flaps. Let's squash down so it looks like that. Alright, now let's take this edge and fold it to the middle crease. And then let's mount and fold along this edge. And then let's... oh yeah, make sure it's symmetrical. Mine is not that good. There we go, that's better. And then let's just fold this one in too. And unfold. And then let's open up here. And then let's sink this square inwards. Open sink. So now it should look like that. Alright, now let's fold this up, but only make a pinch in the middle. And then let's fold it up again, so it looks like that. Alright, and now we want to open this, and let's mount and fold it this way. And then let's open this little pocket, and then squash in a way so that it makes an isosceles triangle. So just kind of like that, so that this down here is a right angle. And then do the same over here. It's a little easier because you can match it up with this point. Then what you want to do is fold along this crease and make sure this flap swings out. So it should look kind of like that. Alright, and now we're going to repeat this on the other three flaps. I'll show one and then I'll fast forward the rest. So let's squash this in. Let's fold this edge to the center. I'm just going to go a bit faster this time. That one to the center. And let's fold this down. And then let's unfold that and that. And then now let's sink it inwards. So it lies flat like that. And let's valley fold this up, but only make a pinch. And then valley fold this point to that point. And let's turn that into a mountain fold. Let's refold this. Squash to make it an isosceles triangle. Something kind of like that. Oh yeah, you can line it up with this one. And then let's do that again over here. So it looks like that. And then once again, mountain fold and let the back flap swing out. Like that. And then repeat on these two other ones. Alright, and that's the model. I hope you enjoyed folding that. Merry Christmas, and as always, have fun folding.